Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our AWS Certified AI Practitioner course. In this lesson, we'll step into one of the most exciting and transformative areas in artificial intelligence today, generative AI. Let's begin with the foundational concepts of generative AI. At the heart of generative AI are tokens. These are small units of language, often words or parts of words, that models use to understand and generate text. When you input a prompt like, write a story about a robot, the model breaks it into tokens to process and predict what should come next. Now, chunking is the process of breaking data into manageable sections. This is important for working with long documents or large inputs where the model has a limit on how much it can process at one time. Then we have embeddings. These are numerical representations of text, images, or other data. Embeddings allow AI models to understand context, meaning, and relationships between items. For example, cat and kitten would have embeddings that are closer together in vector space than cat and truck. And yes, that brings us to vectors, mathematical representations of data points in multidimensional space. These are essential for search, similarity detection, and clustering in generative AI systems. These powerful models are often referred to as foundation models, large-scale models trained on massive datasets. Once trained, they can be adapted or fine-tuned for specific tasks like legal document review or customer service. Multimodal models take things a step further by processing multiple data types, like combining text and images. You might see these in tools that generate captions for pictures or answer questions about visual content. Another powerful type of generative model is the diffusion model, used primarily in image, audio, and video generation. These models start with random noise and gradually refine it into coherent output. Imagine a photo coming into focus, pixel by pixel. Now let's look at use cases. Generative AI powers, chatbots and customer service agents, summarization of large documents, code generation for developers, translation across multiple languages, image and video generation, search engines enhanced with contextual understanding, recommendation systems that adapt content dynamically. But how do these models come to life? That's where the foundation model life cycle comes in. It starts with data selection, gathering diverse, high-quality datasets. Next is model selection, where we choose the right architecture, like a transformer. Then we move into pre-training, where the model learns general patterns from massive data volumes. This is followed by fine-tuning, where it's customized for a specific domain or task. After that comes evaluation, testing how well the model performs on tasks and metrics like fluency, accuracy, or relevance. Once it's ready, the model is deployed, often through an API or cloud service. Finally, ongoing feedback and monitoring ensure that the model stays accurate, safe, and useful as it interacts with real-world users. In summary, generative AI represents the next frontier in automation and creativity. Understanding the foundational terms, use cases, and model lifecycle gives you the power to unlock new possibilities, whether you're building, deploying, or just evaluating AI solutions. Thank you for joining us today, and see you soon.